Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer. Outside hull color is Cape Gray, powered by Yamaha 300 4-stroke digital throttle shift, stainless 4-step ladder, full bench seat along the back of the transom with removable and a pop-up backrest here, engine flush system, access for your bait, and easy access for your batteries. Lockable storage compartments on both sides. Live well here inside the helm area. Going to have a Fusion stereo, 12-volt receptacle, Yamaha digital gauges, all of your switches and push-in breakers. This is going to come with the Bennett trim tabs with indicators, tilt wheel steering, and rod storage in the gunnels. Making our way forward, this is going to be the head compartment. Up at the bow, you'll see plenty of rod holders on both sides, tackle drawers, pull out drawer, table here, speakers in the forward, also wash down here. Up at the bow, you'll see the insert, all the cushions, the flip-up backrest, low-profile railing, trolley motor, and there is a beach boarding ladder up here in the bow. That concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 251 Coastal Explorer. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.